Thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. We're in North Carolina. In freezing weather, we're going to install the Giant Loop tank bag on the Eric's Tenere 700. We have the two engineers here. What do you think about Yamaha?
It's a good bike. Very good bike.
He loves it deep down inside. Okay, let's get to the install.
No, déjala. Ella no.
I know, but don't, Lexi. It's you. I love you. I thought it was your brother.
It's a good girl, man. It's a good girl, man. No lo que me pinga.
Lo pone
Sí,
así.
está bueno, sí.
You're smart.
Y después podemos ajustar.
Sí, sí. So we'll bring it back up in here. See, like that, yeah.
It's pretty easy to install.
Uh-huh. I would like for it not to touch the black part here. Maybe, yeah, there we go.
How is that?
I put it here, like this.
Go inside, open the door.
Okay.
Eso lo pone.
Now we can hide it. Aquí maybe. Let's see. We'll see how if it works. Yeah.
Roscoe, where you going? Hey!
Maybe you'll get lucky, Alex. He'll run away.
No, no se muere, Alex.
No, pero maybe. Está agarrando
That looks
confianza.
pretty good.
Yeah, bro. Very nice. If anybody's interested in some Giant Loop products, I'll leave my email down here in the video, in the description and in the video, and I'll get you a super good deal on these products. Oh yeah, man, I like how it tucks in there much more than like this.
Mm-hmm.
Next!
Looks sparkly.
Yeah.
Next! Woohoo! Come on! Next! Go to bed. Mira, te va para la cama.
Y el otro vivía allá.
No, pero mi
Quedó
mamá voy.
perfecto.
No, el otro no
Sí.
se entera que está llamando.
Roscoe! Roscoe! Come on!
It's like that, right?
Come on!
It moves a little bit because it's not like this way.
Oh, okay.
But
it's good.
yeah, it'll little by little
Y no puedes ir
fix
underneath
itself.
this, baby, y agarrarlo acá en algún lugar, underneath.
Maybe if we take this apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the waterproof part, Eric. So has a bunch of storage there.
Oh, here too for glasses.
And there you can adjust this. You can bring it up, back, forth, and it has Velcro down here. So you can put it here with this Velcro. It doesn't move around. And you put your stuff in here, and you're totally waterproof. And like we like to do with Gisela when we get to Europe, and we go out to eat or have lunch or something, we leave the bike. We just grab this piece here with all our passports and money and euros, and we just walk around like this.
Of course, it's
around
much
town.
full than that.
Yeah, much more. Yeah.
You can put a phone here.
The map,
Have a
yeah,
GPS, yeah.
Maps.
GPS.
Yeah, it looks amazing. The color looks amazing on this black bike.
Yeah, I'm happy. I love the
It's
way it
like
looks.
part of the motorcycle, yeah.